Hi everyone, my name is Ritesh from Oyo Hotels and Homes. I believe fundamentally India is in the cusp of new generation of innovation that will make a substantial difference in the times to come for new companies to get built. I had the good opportunity of knowing Dr. Apurva even when he was just starting making substantial amount of angel investments. Over time, it's been my pleasure and privilege to see him having built Venture Catalysts as an integrated incubation and investment model which has fundamentally altered the course of Indian innovation. I met Dr. Apurva when I was still building my company of Oracle and was aspiring to evolve to Oyo. This is when I was all of 18 years old and very early stages of the innovation of Oyo. At such point of time, Dr. Sharma made a call to me from Mumbai and said, Ritesh, would you like to accept some investment from us? Before that, a lot of investors had chosen to pass our company. So I felt there would be less reason for him to consider investing. I remember him inviting me to Mumbai and we having lunch at the ISKCON area in Juhu Road in Mumbai, at the end of which he said, I genuinely believe in your story and would like to make an investment in your company. What followed over the next 2 3 months as a combination of a small debt and then followed with an equity investment through the angels of him around himself effectively became the first investment in our company of approximately $40,000 for an investment valuation of approximately $200,000. Over the years, the same company has evolved to become one of the most valued companies built out of India. And I believe that is the kind of support that a lot of new age entrepreneurs do require as they begin their businesses and organizations. I believe Dr. Apurva's great business abilities combined with his ability to constantly be engaged with the new generation of startups enables him to create a model like Venture Catalysts, where not only is he able to enable young entrepreneurs to come and get the support to build their companies, but also on the other hand, create substantial wealth for other angels to join and create more wealth together. The Indian startup ecosystem, which I am the biggest believer of, or one of the biggest believers of, is moving very quickly than any other part of the world. I believe India is probably at the cusp of what the Silicon Valley or China were many years back. As that happens, combined with a lot of smart talent that is either coming back from various parts of the world to India or is working in a lot of companies in India and is moving to build their own companies, I believe venture catalysts will be the first port of call for a lot of them, which will enable them to create new, incredibly successful companies like that of various Silicon Valley leaders like that of Y Combinator and various other integrated incubators and accelerators have been able to create. A lot of international investors are seeking partnerships to launch venture catalysts in their respective countries, some of whom I've had the good opportunity of hearing from as I was meeting them for some of the other reasons for our own business. I'm very proud that this is the first time an early stage player is going out of India by building reasonable amount of scale and leadership, not just in India, but also with aspirations of growing and making bigger difference in various other parts of the world. Venture Catalyst is fundamentally using integrated incubation as a way to disrupt the early stage investing model. And in my view, this can help create more value for partners across the ecosystem as it does for various other successful companies across the world. Going forward, my view is that as times evolve and companies get built, Venture Catalyst will create an ecosystem of partners who can help entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs who can build successful companies, and experienced operators who can enable supporting of a lot of these entrepreneurs as advisors to enable companies who grow from the seed stage to becoming ready for raising capital in venture capital and further stages, and to create substantial success of businesses to begin with in India, but then in various parts of the world. And Venture Catalyst will do it in a scale that I haven't seen any other company being able to do. With this, I wish Dr. Apurva and his team all the very best. We are hard at work here at OYO to make our fellow countrymen and the world proud how a new age company can make a substantial difference to how people will live away from home. In the same way, I hope Dr. Sharma and his team is able to ensure that Venture Catalyst creates hundreds of successful entrepreneurs, jobs, and great impact around themselves. Thank you so much.